YouTube shows ads on the videos that you upload at the beginning, sometimes in the middle, and at the end of your videos. Once you get 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, then you can join what's called the YouTube Partner Program. Then YouTube will pay you a cut of the revenue, and that's what we're going to be talking about in this video, how much you actually make. Now, I'm personally best friend with a guy that runs a ton of different YouTube channels, and he did some research into both his own channels and other people who've uploaded videos talking about how much money they make per 1,000 views. The answer is that channels make between $1 and $30 per 1,000 views. So the average channel, based on my research, makes per 1,000 views. But with that being said, most channels from my personal experience only get around $5 to $10 per 1,000 views that you make. Now, in order to make more money per 1,000 views, you can do a couple of things. First of all, you can create a channel in what's called a high RPM niche. Now, RPM is how much you actually make per 1,000 views. And depending on the niche that you're in, some advertisers pay more money to put ads on videos than others. For example, Apple is one of the top advertisers on YouTube, and they're likely going to be putting their ads on technology videos. Expedia is another one of the top advertisers, and they're likely going to be putting their ads on travel videos. Now, here's a list of some of the highest CPM niches, so feel free to pause this and screenshot if you want. They include finance, make money online, technology, health, investing, travel, legal, insurance, makeup, marketing, real estate, cars, movies, and DIY and tutorials. But with that being said, some channels in lower CPM niches can get more overall views. Some examples of low RPM niches include pranks, scary videos, gaming videos, depending on the game that you're playing, and general top 10 videos. Another way to make more money per 1,000 views is to create videos longer than 8 minutes. Then you can go to your YouTube studio, then go to content, and then go down here and select any of your videos. Once you're monetized, go down here to the monetization tab, and from here you can add multiple different ad breaks. If you click manage mid-rolls right here, you can put multiple different ad breaks throughout your video. As you can see in this video right here, since it's longer than 8 minutes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ad breaks instead of just one. If the video was shorter than 8 minutes, I'd recommend spacing out your ad breaks at least every couple of minutes so it doesn't interrupt the viewing experience too much. With that being said, don't just make videos for the sake of them being long so you can put multiple ad breaks. There's a trade-off if you make long videos without actually providing value. So if you make a longer video, make sure to only make it longer by providing more value to the end viewer. And remember, value can be either educational or entertainment value. And keep in mind, videos of every length can go viral. Now, I'm going to let you in on a little secret, and that secret is that this channel that you're watching right now makes over $200 per 1,000 views. Now, you might be saying, how in the world is that possible if channels typically only range from $1 to $30 per 1,000 views? Let me let you in on a secret. This is by selling a digital product, technically affiliated marketing. Now let's break down how much YouTube channels could be earning. This channel right here called Chills uploads videos within the scary niche, and I'm using an extension called VidEQ to see how many views per month they get. So if I click this, they're getting 6.5 million views per month. Now, if we copy this number and open up a calculator, I'll show you exactly how to do the math on this. You take the number of views per month they're getting, divide it by 1,000, and this will show you how many thousands of views per month they're getting. Then we multiply this by their likely RPM. In my opinion, their RPM is probably $2 to $3 per 1,000 views. So let's say $3 per 1,000 views. Since this is a little bit of a low CPM niche, this channel would be making about $20,000 per month. And this channel called New Money uploads videos in the investing niche related to finance. If we see how many views per month they're getting 1.9 million. If we do that same exact calculation where we take this, divide by 1,000, and then multiply by their CPM niche, let's say $20 per 1,000 views, that means this channel would be making $309,000 per month, and that's just from ad revenue, not counting if they sold a digital product. So, as you can see, this channel could be making more money per month than that first channel we looked at, even though it's getting fewer views. Tech Zone uploads technology videos, and the channel pulls in 46 million views per month. If we do the same exact calculation, but this time putting in an RPM of, say, $10 per 1,000 views, that means this channel would be making almost $500,000 per month, which is crazy. In this video, I used RPM and CPM kind of interchangeably, but RPM is how much you actually make per 1,000 views. When I say CPM, I really mean RPM. All right, guys, thanks for watching.